Hey friends, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to pick my winner for the comments that were left on my collab video. So here's what I'm doing. I'm using Comment Picker for you. It has a YouTube's tool, so it's going to randomly pick somebody from my comments. I am clicking here in my video, grabbing the URL from my video, entering it here, and it is going to now search for my comments, and it tells me I have 30 comments, 30 unique comments. And the only reason why I put filter duplicate users is in case somebody commented more than once. Okay, so now I am going to come down here and I'm going to start my raffle. So it's picking all the names, and my winner is Corey Brill. Nice layout. Thanks for sharing. Now I'm going to check to make sure she's a subscriber. Okay, so I stopped my video for a second just so I could figure out how to find my subscribers. So yes, Corey Brill is a subscriber. She is subscribed to my channel. So in case you want to know how you find that, you go into your studio and you go to recent subscribers, and then you click on see all, and you'll see them all there. So yes, so Corey, if you can send me an email with or a message through any of my social medias with your info, your address, I will send out your prize. So go on over to Tammy's page, which I will show you her video where she has the winner of the collab series winner. And she will show you how she made her video, and you will see who the winner is. So if you just go, it should be one of the first ones to pop up, at least under my subscriptions, because she just posted it a little while ago. And here it is. So make sure you go ahead and you check out who the winner is. The link directly to this video is in my description. See you in a couple weeks when the September kits arrive, and we will have a September collab. So I'm really excited for that. If you haven't had a chance to see the August collab series, you can see a link here. And I will also have a link to a couple other videos that you might enjoy. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.